Hey there, this is Ashley of Shep Publishing, and in this video, I'm going to give you a preview of my brand partner email templates. So these are emails that you're going to send out to different organizations, different small business owners, podcast hosts. Those are going to be the people that you want to reach out to, but they're going to be ones who have your ideal reader as their audience. And so each email has a different topic. The first one is kind of a cold intro, and it's giving you an introduction of your brand, how you met them or heard about them. And then the second one is sharing your brand kit. And that's another template that I have in another YouTube video that I can link in this description as well. And it's showing you how you can support them to be able to share your brand. You want to make it very easy for these business owners or organization heads to be able to share the information about your book. And then the last one is a book launch day email. And so this is going to include all the specific links that you want for that person to have so they can easily share about your book. Now, you'll also notice these comments on the side. So once you get your copy of the document, I've given you little tips and guidelines. So if you're someone who's never written an email before, this is definitely something that you can use. As well, I've included a full example of how I use this email for my book launches and then the template version. So you should feel very supported. And this is a part of my book launch success kit. And if you'd like to get more information about how to purchase that, check the link in the description.